I hate starting videos. I never know what to say and I feel like my voice sounds weird and Hi guys, it's Tani. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to create a look using my latest purchase, they're out of the box now, sorry. The Chi Chi matte liquid liner set. So I thought I would try something with the blue liquid liner, especially because this is so affordable. So yeah, I wanted to create a look using the liners today, and I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I created this blue winged liner, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with the eyes because I do want to do a wing. So I'm just going to prime my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And then just using a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, and then to set all of that in place, I'm just going to take the Australis Fresh and Flawless Face Powder. I'm just going to take that on a brush and just tap that over the concealer. Okay, so I'm not going to do much eyeshadow because I do want to do a wing, but I am just going to take the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer and just sweep that through my crease to give a little bit more dimension. Okay, so my eyeshadow is on now. Now I am going to try out the Chi Chi Glamorous matte liquid liner set, because literally everyone at work has been raving about how good these liners are. It does say they're $8 on here, but I actually got them on sale and it came down to $5.10. So that is like, so that's 6 liners, so that's less than $1 each per liner. That is pretty dirt cheap if you ask me, so I don't really know what to expect. I've seen it on other people and it looks amazing, but I am used to like more of a felt tip liner rather than the one that you dip in the pot, so I'll see how I go. I'm gonna give the blue a go, so let's see how this goes. I don't even know if you'll be able to see me do this on camera because I will freak out. Oh, that looks cool. Let me swatch it. Wow, that is so pigmented. You can see all the pimples on my face right now. Okay, so I'll start on this eye. Sorry, my mirror is like next to the camera, so that's why I'm looking to the side. Okay, I've only done one eye, but what I will say is I hate this style of liner. Like, I hate having to dip it in with the brush and then go on because the brushes are normally really flimsy. This I can work with. It's not as like sharp as I would do with the with like a felt tip, like my Clinique Pretty Easy liner, but that's just because I'm used to that kind of liner and that's what I find easiest to work with. So it's at no fault of this one, I just find these harder to work with. But in saying that, I actually like how that looks. So I'll do the other eye off camera. Okay, I don't know, yeah, you can kind of tell that they're like super uneven, but that's the best they're gonna get, I think. You know, I do like this. I actually really love the color. Actually, and on my hand, this is me rubbing it. That's actually me rubbing it really quite hard. Wow. Can you see that? I am pressing down so hard and that is not moving at all. Is that gonna be really hard to get off? Either way, as long as it doesn't smudge, that's all that matters, isn't it? So what I'll do is I will now go on with the Clinique Chubby Lash Fattening Mascara, and it is in the shade 04 Massive Midnight. It's more of like a deep blue shade. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go onto the face. So to prime, I am using the Clinique Moisture Surge 72 Hour Hydrator. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this, massage that over my skin that is super dry at the moment and oily and breakout and red and gross at the moment. Love it. Okay, now this is the tricky bit because I have no idea what foundation matches me right now, because when I fake tanned I was like a super dark shade, but now I'm like not as dark as what I was before, so but I'm not as light as what I was. So I am just going to use excuse me, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I have the shade Warm Nude. We'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to do a few squirts. Oh, it's a bit much, is it? No, yeah. And I'm going to grab my Zoeva, whatever brush this is, 103 Define Buffer, and just buff that into my skin to get rid of all of my imperfections. Oh, my lips are super dry. I forgot to add that to the list of things that are wrong with my skin right now. So hence why my lips look glossy, because I have lip balm thingy-majig on. Wow, the difference a foundation can make, hey? Love that. Next up, we're going back into, actually, how's the foundation? I feel like it matches. Well, we'll see when I'm watching the footage back. That's when I'll really know if it matches or not. So I'm just going to go on with some concealer, basically everywhere, because I need to cover up everything. I'm getting my beauty blender again and blending that in. I love the liner. I've decided. I'm just looking at myself in the mirror, and I think with foundation on, it now looks a little bit more cool. I don't know, it's the right word. Does it? You tell me. You tell me in the comments down below. I've never said that before. Should I start saying it? Leave me suggestions down in the comments. Why do I do this when I'm going nowhere? Like, why? I should film like in the mornings when I'm getting ready to go out or do something productive and fun. Not when I am about to go to the gym later on. So I'm gonna have a shower literally straight after this and wash it all off. Love that. Now, I am going to use the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. I haven't used this in a while. Please don't go everywhere. I normally bake underneath my eyes, but I'm just going to pick up that brush I used before and just tap the product underneath there instead. Oh, powder just went everywhere. Do not go in my eye, please. And then, to set the rest of my face, I am going to take a big fluffy a big fluffy powder brush, and use the Australis Fresh and Flawless pressed powder. Now, time to fill in the brows. I am going to take, like always, the Anastasia pomade, what is it, Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown, and then just fill in my arch. And then I'm going to take the Benefit Gimme Brow Now, moving back to the lower lash line, I'm just going to keep it plain and simple and just pop some mascara on. So using the same deep blue mascara. And now to put some colour back into this face, I'm going to take the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer again on a Real Techniques brush. I love bronzer at the moment, probably because my foundation never matches me, so I have to really go to town with my bronzer. Highlights. Okay, to highlight today, I am using the Mecca Cosmetica Enlightened powder in this like pearly colour. And I'm just going to pretty much go to, wow, hello. I'll just put some of that in here as well. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I am actually super happy with how this turned out. I love the blue liner. I actually think that I could make this, oh, I didn't put lipstick on. Should I? Just rub this lip balm around. No, sorry guys, I didn't put lipstick on, sorry. But yeah, I actually love this blue liner. I think it's really wearable. I always like thought that coloured liners or mascaras or anything like that was a bit like dramatic and out there. But I actually love how this, actually love how this look has turned out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below if you are new. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!